Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage transparency mode for your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro. You have to start by open Soundcore application. And now, if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it at the device list. Then you need to tap on it. And right here we have transparency mode. Select it and click again. And right here we have two options, fully transparent and vocal mode. So idea that fully transparent lets in all outside sounds naturally, and vocal mode boosts voices and reduce background noises. I don't know, maybe something wrong with these earbuds or with my hearing, but I don't hear a huge difference between them. For me, vocal mode is make background noises and voices more louder than fully transparent. So yeah, and if you want to swap between them, just click at the best one for you. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!